Hey there, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Filmora. It's a simple process that allows you to add your own narration or commentary to your videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Filmora. To begin, open Filmora and add the video or any file you want to work with. I'm adding this video as an example. Now, add the video to your project timeline. It's essential to mute the background audio of the video. You can do this by right-clicking on the audio track and selecting Mute. Step 2. VoiceOver. Next, take a look at the options available in the software. You'll notice a microphone icon, which indicates Add VoiceOver. Click on this option to begin the recording process. You can also click on the red microphone button to start recording your voiceover. Start speaking, and your voiceover will be recorded in real time. You can record as much as you need. When you're ready to end the recording, simply click on the same red button. Your voiceover recording will be saved. And there you have it. That's how you can easily record a voiceover in Filmora. It's a handy feature for adding narration or commentary to your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.